Hey guys! So today I just want to share with you my experience with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So even though I am here in my kitchen because I am cooking right there, so I'm so excited to share with you because after 16 days of testing my Facebook ads, I generated my first sale. And why I believe Clickbank Marketplace is the ideal platform to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. So my name is Jan Kua. I started selling my digital products in Clickbank as a product seller in 2013. But today, I will show you how to make money with Clickbank promoting other people's products. So you can save time in creating your product and generate traffic instantly using Facebook ads. So like many aspiring online entrepreneurs, I was drawn to the excitement of passive income and the promise of financial freedom that affiliate marketing offers. So after searching the web for hours, I stumbled upon Clickbank way back then, a name that kept popping up in the discussion and success stories within the affiliate marketing community. So here's what we will cover today. So why Clickbank affiliate marketing and why use Facebook ads? So here's why I decided to dive headfirst into Clickbank affiliate marketing. So diverse product range, spanning various niches from health and fitness to personal development, relationships, and so much more. So you can find products that resonate with your interests and target audience. And second is high commission rates. So one of the most attractive aspects of Clickbank is its generous commission structure, with commission rates often ranging from 50% to 75% or more. So I saw the potential for substantial earnings with each successful sale. So imagine if this is the product that you want to sell. So you see here, this is the average dollar per conversion. So when someone buy your product using your Clickbank affiliate link, then you will earn this $134 for this product. So this is a Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Or if let's say you want to run this Live Pure, then this is the commission that you will get if someone buy using your Clickbank affiliate link. So this is amazing, right? So instead of promoting a $10 or $50 product with the same amount of money that you will spend on Facebook ads, then better to go and dive in to Clickbank Marketplace and choose a product that will give you a higher commission pay. So this is the average amount of money that you can get from this vendor. So when you pick a product, all you need is to run your ads on Facebook. Like this one, I run Facebook ad testing different creatives. And as you can see here, with this ad set, with a budget of $10 per ad set. So I've got 2,561 impressions. And then this one is 2,208 reach. And my cost per click is 30 cents. So this is a very good cost per click. And then my CTR here is 9.64. My CTR all, this is a click-through rate, is 17.65%. And this is the cost per 1,000 impression. I got 28.66. And this is the number of link clicks that I have generated from this one ad set. So it's 247. And the total spent is 73.39. Now, the purchase here, it doesn't show. So sometimes Meta have problem showing this purchase here. But anyway, the most important is you should look at your Clickbank account. So just go to your Clickbank account. So as you can see here that I've got my first sale on this week. So you will see here, I've got this 241.49. And then for the current week, it's 50.34. So in this one, 241.49. So as you can see here, this is the amount I spent. So this motivated me to put in the effort to promote quality products that I genuinely believed in. So a reliable payment system ensured that I receive timely commissions without any hassle. Let me go to paychecks. So you can see here that the Clickbank already paid me for this 214.84. So I set it by weekly. The payment was already sent. And my payment method here is direct deposit to my bank. Also, it is a user-friendly interface. And here's the good news. You can join Clickbank for free. So all you need is just go to Google and just type here Clickbank. You can just go here, click affiliate start here. So just click this button and just click skip this quick start guide. So your homework for today, just sign up with Clickbank. So all you need is just fill this form. So your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your best email address. This is your affiliate marketing email address, and create a password. So take note that choose an account password that contain of all the following. So just consider this and then click this continue to terms and condition, and make sure that you click this, that you have read and agree to the terms and conditions of Clickbank. And then just click join Clickbank. And when you join Clickbank, then you will have access to their marketplace. So all you need is log into your Clickbank account and go here, marketplace. So just click marketplace and click top offers. And you can just go here in the categories to check which niche that you want to get into. So you will see here there is a business and investing, cooking, food and wine, education, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, and so much more. And check the average dollar conversion in promoting this product. My journey into Clickbank affiliate marketing has been both rewarding and fulfilling. While success didn't happen overnight, the platform provided me with the resources, tools, and opportunities to drive in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. So whether you are a seasoned marketer or a novice looking to dip your toes into Clickbank affiliate marketing, I highly recommend considering Clickbank's marketplace as your launching pad to success. And if you want to learn the step-by-step process on how I set up my Clickbank affiliate marketing, I want you to join me with my affiliate marketing Clickbank success guide. Have a free sneak peek of what I teach inside. So all the preparation and what you will need, from picking a niche, setting up your website, how to spy Facebook ads, and so much more. Click the link below and I hope to see you inside.